Hello friends, welcome back in new video of Tinkercad with Arduino series. Today we are going to learn how to control LED brightness with Arduino and Tinkercad simulation. So let us get started step by step. I will search here tinkercad.com and open this official website www.tinkercad.com. and go to circuits, create new circuits. I will search here Arduino. I will take this Arduino with breadboard. I will drag. Okay. Now I will search here potentiometer. And it is normal 10K. Okay. And now LED. And 1 to 20 ohm resistor. Its value, it is 220 ohm. Okay. Now I will connect this cathode pin with ground. This is ground pin, and anode pin is connected with resistor. It will connect to 8th pin. It is PWM output pin. Okay, so change this color of wire. It is normally black, and this is like red. Okay, now connect first pin of potentiometer with ground. And second pin of potentiometer connect with a naught pin. Okay, and change color of this wire, yellow. Okay, and third pin of potentiometer connect with VCC 5 voltage, right? It is red. So circuit is ready. Now I will start programming. So just I will open here code, go to text, continue, and here I will remove this. Simply I will define here 8 pin. So has define LED connected to 8 number. Okay, and remove this. We no need to type anything in void setup function. Okay, here I will read analog value. So I will call function analog read, and I will pass here pin number A0, and I will store its value in a variable. So it is int and port value. Okay, now I want to glow this LED. So its brightness will depend on analog value. If I will rotate this potentiometer, then its brightness will increase. Okay, so one thing, Arduino support 10-bit ADC and 8-bit PWM. So its maximum value will be 1023, right? I will comment. Okay, and this is PWM pin 8 number. So Arduino support 8-bit PWM, so its maximum value is 255, right? So I will turn on here LED with PWM. So analog, right, and here I will pass LED, and its value will be potentiometer value. Okay, right. So in this case, if potentiometer value will increase, so brightness will increase, but maximum value of potentiometer will be 1023. LED required only 255. So I will map here its value. So pot underscore VL equal to divided by 4, right? Now it is correct, and I think now everything is okay. So once I will simulate. Okay, I will just rotate this potentiometer. Wow, you can see brightness is increasing, and reverse. Okay, now I will print here value of analog and PWM and serial monitor. So I will start here serial. So serial.begin at 9600 baud rate. Okay, now here it will print potentiometer value. So serial.print okay. Now I will print here space. So serial.print, right, and now I will print again potentiometer value after dividing by 4. So okay, now I will start simulation again. Okay, you can see here it is printing 000. Now I will rotate this potentiometer. Value is increasing. You can see this is analog value 184 and 46 is PWM value. Now increasing. Wow, LEDs started to glowing. PWM value is 184 and analog value is 737. I will increase this. Okay, this is maximum value of analog, it is 1023, and maximum value of potentiometer, sorry, and maximum value of PWM, it is 255. Okay, so friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, so you can support me on PayPal, and if you have any doubt, so let me know in comment box, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.